Hi guys, it's Elsa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign the days of the week in sign language. We're going to start with the letter M for Monday. If you don't know the alphabets, I'll link the video in the description down below, so make sure you go check it out. M for Monday. You turn it around and you do a circle. Monday. Monday. T for Tuesday. You do the same thing and you do a circle. Tuesday. Tuesday. For Wednesday, it's just a W. The same thing, you turn it around and you do a circle. Wednesday. Wednesday. For Thursday, you're going to do a T. It will just be the same thing as Tuesday. So TH. Thursday. Thursday. For Friday, it's an F. Do a circle. Friday. Friday. For Saturday, it's an S. Turn it around and do a circle. Saturday. Saturday. For Sunday, it's like this. Sunday. Sunday. Now for week, we're going to put our palms out and then we're going to take our finger and run it along. It's like a calendar and then you just run your finger along. So week. 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 For weekend, it's the weekend. So week end. Week end. Week end. And for weekday, we do the day. So day, you put your index finger up and then you put your elbow on top of the other hand. So you go down. Day. Day. It's like the sun going down. Day. From up to down. Day. So week, day. Week, day. Okay guys, now let's do a quick review. So we have Monday, Monday, have Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and then Sunday. Week, week, week end. Week, day. Week, day. We're going to do it again, and this time I want you guys to do it with me. Okay. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Week, weekend. Week, day. This is the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a single video. And you guys are probably wondering why I don't have glasses. It's just that I can't see them right now, but once I get them, I'll make sure to record with them. Okay guys, see you guys next time. Bye.